Hello, this is Saffron and welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Today is September 17th, 2022, and today I'll be opening the Walmart Beauty Box for Fall 2022. It's version 5. I got the box today, and I thought I'd do a little unboxing, a little chit-chat. I've been gone for a while. Back in July, I became unemployed, so I had to cancel my subscription, my Ipsy subscription, until I found a new job. And I just recently got hired at a new place, so I was able to. Well, this isn't the Ipsy, but I was able to resubscribe to my Ipsy, so I'll be getting that box as well this month. But I did get charged for this while I was unemployed, but it's only like. The box is only $6.98 a month, and you get not a month, but a season. You get like fall, next one will be winter. It's like every few months. It's like $6.98, which is like $7, and you get some full size. I can't remember. I think it's like 5 items. Some of them are full size. Some of them are just sample sizes. It's beauty. Sometimes I've gotten candles. Sometimes I've gotten little drink thingies, little water things you can put in water and mix it with your water. And it's a pretty good box overall. But first, I kind of wanted to chit chat with you and how y'all been doing this summer. Did y'all have a pretty good summer? The summer ends the 22nd, not too far off. Had a pretty interesting summer. Back in July, I went to Comic Palooza. I like to go to Comic Cons. They're fun. I went to Comic Palooza in Houston, and I got to meet Alice Cooper. I thought I would share because it's kind of a beauty-related thing. He's kind of known for his iconic black eye look, little spooky look he does. And I took a picture with him. That's a picture I took with him back in July. He's really sweet, and it was funny. I have little pop thingies, little figurines, and I got him to sign it. And I like his group, the Hollywood Vampires, with Johnny Depp, and I think it has somebody from Aerosmith, and there's some other guy in the group. And he said they were going to tour, and I asked him if they were going to come out with another album, and he said that they want to, but they've all been busy. And I can't remember everything. He said the members pretty much been busy, but Johnny Depp's really been busy. I thought it was funny, kind of trash talking, joking about Johnny Depp. I think they're very good buddies. That one movie, Dark Shadows, he says he's Alice's ugliest woman you ever seen, and I thought it was kind of funny, him kind of talking trash about Johnny Depp, how he's really been busy, with like the Amber Heard stuff. It's funny. He's really sweet. That's a picture with him. He's a very sweet man. I think he looks like he kind of reminds me of a vampire because he's 74 years old. I mean, he does look old, but like to me, he looks like maybe 50-ish. But it's funny, he has like a very gravelly tone, But he's very sweet. I loved meeting him. But that's what I did this summer. And but I'd open this up because I'm excited about getting I'm excited to get back into unboxing stuff. I know I don't unbox very much, but I like to do this box and the Ipsy, and I've kind of missed doing it. So I'll open this box. I'll shut up and open this box. A Walmart Beauty box. Let me open it up. It had packaging on top, and I already pre-opened that, so it won't take me so long. And how did I open it? Oh, there it goes. There's the inside of the box. Okay, a little teaser for you. I hope this has Halloween stuff in it. I love Halloween. More like Beetlejuice. I know it's not really technically Halloween, but I think Beetlejuice go all year round. It's a classic movie. I love that movie. And Here's a little pamphlet. I don't know if you can really see it. I know there's a glare. Right there says Fall Haul, Walmart Beauty Box. And it says, hello gorgeous, it's time to spice up your self-care routine with our autumn ready picks, all under $20 each. We've rounded up your faves to help you transition from summer sizzle to cooler temperatures. Ready to fall in love? And let me dim the lights a little bit so you can see it. That's the stuff you can get. I don't know if you really see it. I don't really see anything that's kind of, I don't really see any beauty stuff. Like makeup. See like hair care, see a moisturizer. But let's see what we get. And for $7, if you don't like some of the stuff, sometimes I'll re-gift it. Like, there's something I won't use. Like this item, Heritage, 2 headbands. I might use these. Athletic twist hand. Little headbands. They look pretty nice. It doesn't say on the pamphlet how much it is, but these I could tie my hair back. I know I don't have much hair, but sometimes I tie my hair back to put my makeup on. Use that for that probably. We'll see. That's our first item. Ready? Next item is Liquid IV Energy Multiplier. It's a little packet you mix in with water, and it's pineapple flavored. I'll have to give this to somebody I know because I really don't use stuff like this. So. And here's, did it have, yeah, it had a price for that, Liquid IV Hydration Energy Multiplier Pineapple, Yuzu Pineapple or something. Full size, 6 of them for $9.98. Get hydrated faster and more efficiently than drinking water alone. This delicious non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins. Cool. And the next item up for bid is the Colossal Curl Bounce. I guess it's like mascara. Maybelline. Very black, of course. Little mascara. I don't think I've gotten a mascara from this box before. But Maybelline's a pretty decent brand, you know. I think they're known for their Great Lash Mascara, which I've tried. I think it's okay. I don't know. I like to get makeup from Ipsy if I can, because I've noticed makeup from Ipsy's kind of better than the drugstore, but sometimes drugstore can be pretty decent. But I prefer to get my makeup if I can through Ipsy, because it's, you know, it's higher end makeup and I don't have to pay full price for it. So, but that's that. What's the next item? Oh, this kind of tells you about the little hydration little drink packet thing. And here's a little paper thing for toner, face toner. It's kind of weird. I don't know. That's weird. Because toner, you usually put it, it's like a liquid and you put it in a, they either have the spray ones or you put it on a little, you put the cotton ball and then you kind of drop some on the cotton ball to rub on your face. That's a little, it's kind of weird. Hopefully it's in like a, I don't know. I don't know how you would try it. That's kind of weird. How is it? Is it on a cotton thing in there? I don't know. We'll have to see. And how much is that? Let me go look. The Maybelline Colossal Curl Bounce is $8.98. And was the mascara? They don't have the mascara on here. They have a Milani mascara, not the Maybelline one. And I got some, this is pretty good brand. I've tried this stuff before. Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. In a little Ziploc thing. It's kind of nice, and it's a nice sample size too. You smell it. Ooh, it smells good. I'll have to try it. But I've used their stuff before, and it's pretty good for like for dry hair, dry frizzy hair. I haven't used it in a while, but it's got a little conditioner. Same scent. Same scent. That smells good. Oh, that's all for the box. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I've missed making videos for y'all, and please like, please subscribe, please follow me on social media. My social media is going to be down in the description box. And thank y'all so much for watching. I've missed making videos, and hopefully in a few days I'll get my Ipsy bag, and I'll unbox that for you. I subscribe to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and it's like they choose 2 products for you, and the other 3 you get to choose, and that's like, it's about $30 a month now, because it's they've went up to $28 plus a $2 handling fee, I believe. So I'll upload that, and I'll make a video of that in a future video. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all. Goodbye.